Hey, it's Triple J here from Buddy Automotive Innovations, here to show you the new features in BidBuddy version 6.2, released on April 3rd, 2018. So the biggest feature of our new 6.2 version is the pre-processing of all auctions into our app's cloud. So with this new service, all of your auctions are all going to be pre-processed in our cloud and downloaded to your computer when you request the auction. It's going to save us from having errors show up on your computer if a website changes for an auction house. And it also allows us to pre-process the IAA data service against those auctions. So the initial QCI score that you see will already be taken into account the IAA data service. It's going to save you a lot of time and also gets us to get pictures inside the BidBuddy. So we're going to go ahead and open up a new auction. Let's start a new auction. And when we hit the Start New Auction button, we're going to see the brand new interface for downloading auctions. This is coming from the app system. So the first page is going to be the calendar of your favorite auctions. Okay. Right now, this is a new system, so we've got nothing set up for us right now. I'm going to go to the Available Auction Locations tab. This is every auction that's been pre-processed inside of the app's cloud, sorted by state and then city. So I live in Connecticut, so I'm going to go to Connecticut, and I'm going to see that Copart, Connecticut's here. For Hartford, we've also got an IAA here in Connecticut. IAA's also got a Hartford South. And I may also do some Massachusetts auctions as well. We'll go down to Massachusetts, and we'll see things like South Boston, North Boston. So I can check off all those different ones. You can see the IAA, Copart, TRA, Salvage Center. All those are in here. You can also sort these by company if you want to see those auction companies in here. Auto Exchange, CarTech, Cherokee. Those are already pre in there. I'm going to save those checked auctions as my favorites. Then after I save it, I'm going to load the calendar. So here's all the upcoming auctions that are ready to be downloaded into our BidBuddy. Even gives you a vehicle count. So let's say we want to look at Hartford's auction tomorrow, or for today, April 3rd. I'm going to say evaluate the checked auction. So you can also check off multiple here. If I want to do IAA and Copart at the same time, I can check off both of those. It would evaluate one of them right after the other and would tell you auction 1 of 2 and which car it's working on out of the total. So right now it's downloading these cars from the app's cloud, and it's also getting that IA data service already, the information is already in there in it, so that when it downloads the score, the initial score that you see on screen will be the correct QCI score. No longer will it drop when it processes the IA data service against that auction. All right, we've got this large Hartford Copart auction downloaded. Looking at this 2013 Explorer here. You notice this brand new icon here in the QCI status. It says this QCI score has been improved by data provided by the Insurance Auto Auctions. That means this vehicle has already been run against the IA data service, and the results we're going to see are going to be the QCI score has already been improved by that number from using the IA data service information. Now, what you didn't see happen right now, because I have 2 monitors here, and you only see my first one, is on a second monitor, a new form opened up. And these pictures of this car automatically opened up for me. So while the car is still loading in BidBuddy, and it's loading the pricing, trying to find the relevant data for you, it's already showing you a picture of the car ready to go. So you'll be able to look at the car, see those pictures, and get your mind thinking about what's good and bad on the car to make you more productive while the car is loading in BidBuddy. Also, hopefully going to help you from having to go out to the auction website all the time when all you need to do is look inside BidBuddy if you're not going to bid on it, for instance. So we've got pictures on the second form if you have multiple monitors. We also have a new tab here for pictures. If you want to see those pictures in here, you can tap them right in here as well. And it's a third way to see the new pictures as well. You can actually hover over the part code or the order number for the part, and you'll see that it's automatically will show you those parts, those pictures of those parts. And you also notice that it's showing you the right picture for those part codes as well. Even if I go down to engine assembly, you'll see the engine assembly from Copart, the picture they took for that. So that's one of the biggest new features in BidBuddy 6.2 is the pictures. Also, the QCI score was improved by the IA data service ahead of time. And we got a couple other new features. We've got first created by, first saved by is now going to be saved in the vehicle record. Also on the interchange selection screen, let's say if I go down to engine assembly here, we've got the new Vin Queues. So it's asking 8th digit, it's asking if it's a T or an 8. I can see right away Vin 8 is an 8. Makes it nice and easy to determine what option we're looking for. So that's a new thing as well. And once in a while, you know that the VIN decoder picks the wrong model in the Honda interchange. You've got those, finicky things once in a while. There's a brand new button in here that says change interchange model. And it gives you a little warning that you're going to get the parts grid reloaded. And this allows you to repick the correct interchange if you had an interchange issue with that car. Still let us know about those issues so I can fix the mapping on them, but at least it allows you to do the vehicle the correct way without having to enter everything manually yourself. Another nice little new feature. And there's going to be a new time here. It says the last run time, so you kind of know how long your IMS download takes, just as a little informational bit. And we made some improvements to the reporting module as well. I'll show you on the reporting here. Let's go to the short summary. And we're going to do QCI scored. We'll show all the vehicles for this one. I opened up my second monitor. We've got a new print to default printer, or print and ask the printer. You can also still export your report to a PDF. The brand new feature, though, is to save data as CSV. So this will export the actual raw data of the report format to your desktop. That's where I saved this one's. Of course, it's going to be the actual CSV of the file. If I can find the file, there it is. So this shows you the actual raw data source of the file, as opposed to being a formatted thing. So you're able to do what you wish with the report data from now on as well. So it's a great little feature we added in there for you. So those are the brand new features in BidBuddy version 6.2. We're actually already got 6.3 in the works. We hope to have that released within a week or two. We're waiting on a third party to help us with that. And I'll have some great new features that are actually already in this version. They're just kind of hidden. And we'll have those coming out very shortly for you. But we're very excited about the picture integration. We hope it helps you bid your cars much better, much faster, much more accurately. That's it for today. This is Triple J signing out. Thank you much.